room 200 at St George's Hotel, Llandudno, Wales. Is a classic single. So as you come in, light switches, and your bathroom straight ahead. It's a nice little corridor bit though, nice picture on the wall. Bathroom straight ahead. Obviously you get your complimentary MS products. But, pretty standard sink, mirrors, obviously your toilet, bath with the shower in it, and heated towel rail. And the bedroom part is round here, wardrobe right in front of you. Little storage drawers here, complimentary water. Again, nice pictures on the walls and things. There's your bed. It's quite a big single bed really. And your little bedside table, little desk, and your television. Nice flat screen. And there's your tea and coffee, little bits in the cupboard there. There's your kettle in that one. Obviously a little bin. Is there anything in this drawer? Yeah, there's your hairdryer in your drawer. And your wardrobe, which I'm guessing, yeah, there's your trouser press, I thought so. And some hangers, and that's Gary's jacket. And there's an ironing board, some more drawers in there. But yeah, oh, there's a mirror there. But yeah, nice little classic inside room. Quite like it. Again, back down the corridor to the door. Lovely. Yeah, I really like this little, lovely little room, I have to say. Thermostat and air conditioning unit is here beside the bathroom. There you go, room 200, classic single at the St George's Hotel in Llandudno, Wales.
Carry out what he's told me to do. Because I know it's quite that's what I'm saying.
Thanks, what are we doing? Good. Yeah.
Wow, look at that, that's lovely.
Sorry,
That's pig.
I'm only 25, really.
Yeah. And I'm Monkey's uncle.
Oh yeah?
Mm.